There are screen protectors that can affect your phone's screen sensitivity and make you miss some taps. It's not really a serious problem, but can be annoying at times. Good thing your Galaxy S20 allows you to change the touchscreen sensitivity. In this video, I will guide you on how to improve your Galaxy S20 touch sensitivity. If you feel like the sensitivity of your display isn't as good as it was before, then here's what you need to do. Pull the app drawer up and tap the settings icon. Or you can simply swipe down from the top of the screen to pull the notification panel down, and tap the gear icon. Find and tap display. Scroll down and then tap on the toggle switch next to touch sensitivity to enable it. After doing this, you'll notice that the display is now more responsive than it was before, even with the new screen protector, or when you put on your gloves. On the other hand, if the touch sensitivity of your phone's display hasn't improved, then there can be a problem with the firmware. What you have to do next is to create a backup of your important files and data and then factory reset your phone. This will bring everything back to factory default. I hope that this simple tutorial has been able to help you. We would appreciate it if you can like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.